Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC if you have not visited before, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. We are out here in Belton, Missouri. This is about a 3-scope project that we have out here. The first thing we're going to get going on is we have 3 King Pier 2s we're going to be installing underneath the east side of this detached garage. Got some settling here on this side, so should be some easy digs. We got some tight quarters here with the trees and everything and post here, but they should be shallow digs, so we should hopefully be able to knock these out fairly quickly and then get the piers installed to raise everything back to its correct level elevation. The other 2 scopes, inside the basement there is a crawl space that goes underneath the front porch of the house. That area, there's a lot of dirt we're gonna have to excavate to get access to where the load-bearing beam, the floor joists are, and we're going to create new 2-foot by 2-foot at 2-foot thick concrete footings using high-strength concrete. There's going to be 2 of those, and then once that concrete is cured, we will install permanent 6x6 treated wood support posts on top. It's going to make sure everything is level and stays level once those are permanently installed. And then inside the little basement room, and we'll get some more videos next week when we start getting going on the inside work. We're just staying outside for now. But inside the basement room, there's block foundation walls. We're going to do our block foundation renovation. If you've seen any of our recent videos over the last month, we've knocked out quite a few of these, so it should go very quickly for our crew out here. We're just going to clear the block walls of any kind of loose debris, get the cracks sealed up, and then we'll apply our wire mesh to the walls, and then our King Piers blend of high-strength concrete mortar. We'll get top to bottom, corner to corner, wherever accessible, and then we'll finish it up with a coat of white waterproofing paint. So again, today we're going to get started on the 3 King Pier 2s on the east side of the garage here, and then next week we'll move inside and get going on that. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, you can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. Again, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. It's a great tool to educate yourselves on proper foundation repair. Years worth of videos detailing every kind of foundation issue that you could possibly have, and doing it correctly, the engineering sound way, correctly the first time. So again, King Piers LLC on YouTube and Facebook. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, and contact us directly through there, or you can even call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.